Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C21 Plus, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector. I have one right here, but normally they will look something more like this. It comes provided with a device, so don't worry, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, as you can see where the pin is holding. You want to push it in, and as you can see the tray pops out, enough for you to grab it and pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for a dedicated SD card and 2 SIM cards. When it comes down to SIM cards, you can occupy both of those trays or just one, it doesn't really matter which one. There we go. And once you have your cards on the tray, you want to carefully insert it back into the device. As you've seen, there's nothing really holding the cards in place, so they could just kind of fall out if you're not careful. There we go. And once you insert the cards, they should start working right away. So I already have reception, and it just popped up with the SD card detection. So there we go, you can see it detected the SD card as well. So there we go, that is how you would insert your SIM and SD card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.